In this video, we will discuss the meaning of error code CH05 and CH53 in LG inverter air conditioning units. Regarding the CH05 code, it is related to a communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units when the error is located in the outdoor unit's electronic board. Regarding the CH53 code, it is related to a communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units when the error is located in the indoor unit's electronic board. Let's look at the steps to resolve this problem. 1. When a communication error is detected, turn off the unit, disconnect the power supply, and wait for several minutes before turning it back on. 2. After a few minutes, turn the unit back on and see if the problem persists. 3. Visually inspect all electrical connections in the equipment, looking for loose or damaged cables. 4. Use a multimeter to check if the voltage supplied by the electrical network is adequate. 5. Measure the signal voltage, which should be measured between the wire connected to the S terminal and the neutral wire, placing the red lead of the multimeter on the signal wire and the black lead on the neutral. 6. For LG air conditioner models with a positive data transmission protocol, when the unit operates normally, the voltage measured on the signal wire always oscillates between positive values. 7. As a general rule, if any electronic control unit is not functioning correctly, the voltage values measured in the previous step will always be constant. 8. Before making any replacements, it is recommended to measure the electrical continuity in the reactor located in the outdoor unit using the multimeter on the electrical continuity scale. 9. If you have access to the outdoor unit's board, check if it is working. To do this, locate the LED diodes and observe if they light up. 10. If the outdoor electronic board is not working, there may be a problem in the power factor control circuit. To fix this, you need to check the rectifier bridge, the IGBT transistor, the diode, or the controller of this circuit. Additionally, check the condition of the tracks on the electronic board. 11. You could also locate the communication circuit by looking for the pair of optocouplers and checking the resistance, capacitors, and diodes in this area. 12. Check the capacitors on the electronic board, as they store energy and help regulate the power supply in an air conditioner. If they are faulty, they can cause a communication error. 13. In some cases, the error code may be due to a software error. To perform a factory reset, consult the owner's manual and follow the instructions.